Welcome students. Today's class is about the muscles which are forming the thoracic wall. I have already told you in my previous classes about the bones which are forming the thoracic wall, the fascia which is covering the thoracic inlet, and now I am talking about the muscles which are covering the intercostal spaces. The spaces between the ribs or the costal cartilages are called intercostal space. So this space has got its name intercostal space because of these costal cartilages which are attaching ribs to the sternum in front, that means anterior. So this space has to be covered by the muscles, and that also quite securely. So there are three muscles which are covering this intercostal space. What are those muscles called? In totality they are called intercostal muscles, but the outermost is going to be the external intercostal muscle. Beneath it we will see the internal intercostal muscle, and beneath it transversus thoracic muscle. So first of all I will talk about the external intercostal muscle. So whenever we talk about any muscle, we have to know from where it has originated and where it is going to be inserted, what is the direction of the fibers, so that we can know about the action of that particular muscle. Okay? So first of all, origin. Now here, just pay your attention. This is the first rib, second rib, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. In totality, we have got 12 ribs. 11th and 12th are floating ribs, so we cannot see them anteriorly. So here, this is the upper margin and this is the lower margin. In the first rib we have got medial and lateral margin, but in all other ribs we have got a superior and an inferior border. And by that you can see, since these are the fibers of external intercostal muscle, so it takes origin from the lower border of the rib above it. That means, since this is the first external intercostal muscle, it will take its origin from the lower border of the first rib. But first rib is an exception as far as upper and lower border is concerned. Now this is the second external intercostal muscle. So it will take its origin from the lower border of the second rib. This is clear? So external intercostal muscle, it will take its origin from the lower border of the rib above it. And where it's going to be inserted? It will insert on the outer surface of the upper border of the rib below it. That means it will take origin from the lower border of the rib above it, and it will insert on the upper border of the rib below it, and that also on the outer surface. And you can see the direction of the fibers now. The direction of the fiber is from above, downwards, forwards, and oblique. And from this diagram itself you can see that it is not coming up to the sternum. See, we have got a gap here. So this gap will be covered by the aponeurosis, and so that will be called anterior intercostal membrane. So external intercostal muscle, it is going to start from behind. So from behind, that means the thoracic vertebrae, it is going to cover the whole of the back of the intercostal space, the lateral side of the intercostal space, and the anterior intercostal space up to some distance from sternum. And this area is going to be covered by its aponeurosis, which is called anterior intercostal membrane. So you are clear about external intercostal muscle? Now the next muscle we talk about is internal intercostal muscle. Now it has to be totally different, means it has to be opposite to the external intercostal muscle. So this muscle is going to start its origin from sternum. So this is the internal intercostal muscle. So it is starting here. Again it is taking its origin from the lower border of the rib above it. But how both can be from the same place? So this is taken from the lower border, origin from the lower border of the rib above it, but from the inner surface of the lower border of that rib. Okay? And it will insert again on the inner surface of the upper border of rib below it. So this is totally in contrast with the external intercostal muscle. It is taking its origin, starting its origin from the sternum. So it is going to go backwards. That means it is going to cover the anterior intercostal space. That means the anterior part of the thoracic cage. It is going to cover the lateral part of the thoracic cage. It will cover the posterior part of the thoracic cage, but incompletely. Just like the external intercostal muscle, it had left the anterior part of the thoracic cage incomplete, which was compensated by its aponeurosis, and the aponeurosis of external intercostal muscle was anterior intercostal membrane. So the opposite of anterior is going to be the posterior. So this internal intercostal muscle, it is going to reach the vertebral column through posterior intercostal membrane. Okay? And the direction. See, it's perpendicular to the direction of external intercostal muscle. The direction of the fibers of internal intercostal muscles are downwards, oblique, and backward. And what was the direction of external intercostal? Oblique, downward, but anterior. And this is going posterior, so that the two muscles will reinforce each other, so that there is no point left which is weak in nature. Now, another thing that you should know is about the action. Now just have a look, because whenever we talk about any muscle, we have to know what is the action of that muscle. Now, if these fibers contract, what they will do? They are going to lift up the ribs. And when the ribs are lifted up, the intrathoracic volume will increase. And when it increases, the negative pressure in the thorax will increase, and the positive pressure of the atmosphere is going to force the air inside. So external oblique will assist in inspiration. Now see the direction of the fibers of internal intercostal. If they contract like this, they are going to pull back the rib below them, isn't it? Every internal intercostal muscle will contract and bring back the rib below it nearer. So what that will happen? What will it create? It will create a positive pressure in the thorax, and the air will be forced out. So the internal intercostal muscle is going to assist in expiration. This is clear? One more thing is there about internal intercostal muscle. That muscle is bifurcated into two layers by the nerves and blood vessels passing through it. And that is why this muscle is divided into two layers. The outer one is called the inner intercostal. Okay, so that is the internal intercostal proper, the outer layer. the inner layer is called innermost intercostal muscle. So this way, both the two layers are the layers of the same muscle, and that is the internal intercostal muscle. The third muscle is transversus thoracic muscle. Now this muscle is lying interior to the internal intercostal muscle. It has got three parts. Anteriorly, we have got the sternum and the costal muscle. So the part of the thoracic transversus which is present anteriorly is called intercostal muscle, and then it is continued as aponeurosis, just like the aponeurosis we had with external intercostal muscle and internal intercostal muscle. And then we have got a second layer of muscle there, in the continuation of the membrane. What is that? Nothing but the part that we just talked about, the inner layer of internal intercostal muscle. And what was that? That was innermost intercostal muscle. So that portion of the internal intercostal is also taken as the second part of thoracic transversus muscle. And what is the last one? Last part, the last fibers which are present posteriorly in the thoracic cage of transverse thoracic are called subcostalis muscle. So these were the muscles of thoracic wall. Thank you.